Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you current ways to make money in 2026. So let's look at 4 earning options. 1. AI OFM. 2. AI Influencer. 3. AI Creator. 4. Other AI variations. By the way, you can find more detailed guides on these topics in my Telegram channel. So let's look at each method separately, starting with AI OFM. First, we need to create an AI model of a girl, then create a photo pack with her that we'll post, or a video. Once we've done that and have material to work with, we need to focus on social media. Of course, the first step is to warm up our social media platforms. Instagram and TikTok are the most suitable for this. Then, we publish any content on these platforms, be it photos, collages, or videos. Our goal here is to build an audience and reach. Once we've built a certain audience, we'll need to transfer that audience to a service called fanvue. Our next task is to sell our paid subscription. Our income and success depend on this. The final step is to withdraw the subscription earnings to a crypto wallet. Now let's move on to the second method, AI Influencer. Here, we also need to create an AI model and a pack of photos or videos to work with them. We then use the same method to promote social media, build reach, and increase audience. After that, we'll rely on advertising offers. Once you've built your account to the required level of reach, advertising offers will come naturally. This could be a clothing brand, cosmetics, or jewelry. There are many options. The main advantage of AI OFM and AI Influencer is that you can combine both methods and double your income, since you've created a single model that can be used in both areas. Now let's talk about AI creation. This approach is suitable for those who don't want to create their own AI model, manage its social media channels, communicate with audiences and clients, or manage fanvue. In this case, you first learn to create photos and videos, and also learn to write prompts using AI services. But it's important to understand that you need to reach a confident level of creation so you can do everything well. Then, you create your own personal social media account where you will promote your work. This can be either training or helping people create their own personas, etc. There is a high demand for this, as many people make money from it. For example, they have developed social media platforms but don't have the time to create AI models. If you don't want to develop your own social media, you can freelance using platforms like Upwork and find clients there. On average, you could earn around $150 to $200 for one high-quality photo shoot you create. So, we come to the fourth method, other sources of income in AI. There are quite a few of them, so I've just selected a few examples for you. Let's imagine that you don't want to communicate on fanvue, but you want to make money in this field. In this case, you can think about what you love to do. For example, if you love music and write cool beats or tracks, then you probably want to promote them. In this case, you do the same thing. Create an AI model, then promote it on social media, then promote your music. Yes, that's it. You can literally post videos with the model playing your music, promoting it. In the future, you will also receive advertising offers from other musicians who need help promoting their tracks. This way, you can earn money both by promoting your content and through commercial offers from clients. If we take average advertising rates, the typical payout in this industry is around $300 for 1 million views. Accordingly, for 500,000 views, you'll get around $150, and for 2 million views, $600. This industry pays well and is currently popular. That's all for now. If you'd like to learn more about these and other methods, I'm waiting for you on my Telegram channel. Good luck!